Welcome to Instagram. In this video, we are discussing Aligarh Muslim University course MSc Data Science. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of information related to the courses. If you are looking for any help regarding any course, so you can contact us anytime on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers of your queries, and we take only a little amount for this. Now, let us talk about the course. So this is the course name is MSc Data Science, and the seats are only 20 and plus and 5 for NRI. Degree is required for this BTech, BE or BArch architecture in 55 marks, or if you have a BA, BSc, BC or BIT from a recognized university, so you are eligible for this course if you have studied statistics mathematics as a subject. Okay, now the job perspectives are also given here. So the primary objective of the data science is to develop skilled professionals workforce that is prepared for the increasing needs of the expanding area of big data analytics. The program is to provide skills in quantitative data analysis, data mining, data modeling and prediction, data storage and management, big data processing, data visualization, and a large number of practice case studies have been integrated in the program to boost the learner confidence and market acceptability. Now, the program outcomes is also given here. So, after the completion of the course, graduates will be able to become a skilled data scientist and use a specialized software tools like data storage, analysis, and visualization. So these are the some basic things which we have discussed in this video. If you are looking for any other help regarding this course or any other courses, we are here for welcoming you to contact us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.